Oh my goodness gracious, quality is superb, bro. We need to come up with some new vocabulary. Yo, Jordan Brand is pushing stuff back like crazy, and it's kind of like low-key frustrating. I know for a lot of people, including myself, it's like, bro, just take my money. Hey man, no more locked doors. No more locked doors, bruh. Nah, I'm just messing around with y'all. But got the Air Jordan 1 University Blue in. Now, I am geeked to see these because what I've been hearing is just the fact of, yo, the quality on these, ooh, getting close to stabbing myself, is phenomenal. So, at the time of this video, I believe these are gonna release March 6th or something like that. We'll see what retail officially is gonna be. I feel like a lot of this stuff is unknown, man. Always remember, these sneaker reviews are always entertainment purposes. I am in no terms this freaking know-it-all. I don't got no like Nike plug or nothing like that. I just go off of what I read on the internet and just kind of speculative, is it the word speculative information? But just wanted to give you guys my first thoughts of these bad boys. Hey mama, show me how you move it. Upside down. Sheesh, let's go. Gotta love the Air Jordan 1 box. One of the most iconic, man. So I've always liked Jordan 1s. My first like pair that I ever paid resale for was a Jordan 1. And it's funny now because I feel like a lot of like OG sneakerheads, which even I consider myself somewhat of a, actually I ain't no OG, bro. I started collecting in like, I've had J's my whole life, but like personally buying my shoes, I didn't even start till 2012 maybe. So been doing it for some years, but nothing crazy. But it's just funny that I see like, if you only like Air Jordan 1s, you're not a sneakerhead. There's way more shoes out there, but it's like the nostalgia of the Jordan 1. The Jordan 1 is the most iconic sneaker ever. It represents greatness. The worst hoop shoe you'll ever hoop in your life, but Smith 4 is the best. Let's be real. But you know what I'm saying? For people to try to roast you for getting Jordan 1s, I don't understand that. Like, it is the most, I would say, versatile colorway. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's that casual sneaker that really looks good with everything, especially when you're entering more of the adult world. Like, you can wear your Jordan 1s and still be taken seriously. You know what I'm saying? Even though sneakers as a whole is becoming, well, already is just a part of life now. Like, everyone is into shoes in some type of way, whether they know about it or they don't. People like to collect. So anyway, going on that little tangent, let's get into this. So we got our Nike box. More importantly, go true to size on these. As always, we'll talk more about this in the review, but retail is $170. One thing I've noticed that nobody's been talking about much is the QR codes. Let's actually go ahead and scan this just to see what it does. You are Nike. Please allow, what is it, bro? It's asking, please allow access to your device. Like, are they gonna come after me or something? Cool, so it just took me to the site. Now, is that because these haven't officially released yet? I personally haven't messed around with the QR code, so if anybody can update me on how that works, I could. I don't got any other boxes in here to scan, but interesting. Let's see, ooh. I love the smell of sneakers in general. Just a brand new pair. Be hidden. Sheesh, go ahead. Oh my goodness gracious, quality is superb, bro. We need to come up with some new vocabulary. Like, I'm befuddled right now. I'm so befuddled with how beautiful these things are. Sheesh, camera, focus for me. Do me a favor. Look, dude. Okay. First thoughts, man. Initially, right off the rip, these are gonna be expensive. Like, this is definitely a shoe that is gonna be high on the resale market. And I'm just telling you guys, if you can get in and buy a pair on the low, I would highly recommend it. And that's just literally opening this box. First off, you see the beautiful tumbled leather and this amazing nubuck, suede, whatever you want to call it, in that UNC blue. We have beautiful tumble leather in black on the back. I don't care what anyone says. This is a quality Jordan 1. Like, this reminds me of the Shatter backboards a lot. Damn. Now, I don't know if there's necessarily that much hype behind these, but there will be. And it's kind of funny to think, because years ago, Jordan Brand released the powder blue 3s, which are pretty similar. I mean, the blue's a little bit different. I love those. Like, that was like my daily wear shoe when I was in college. And for some stupid reason, I sold them for like $50 just because I had so many shoes. Stupid of me. Same thing goes with the UNC ones that came out. What was that? 2015? Why did I sell those? Stupid move to do. Again, another sneaker that went crazy in price, and I wore those a lot. Like, I really loved them. But I think it was, again, like, I just had so many shoes, so I was basically getting rid of stuff that I didn't wear too often. So that had been sitting for a very long time. But damn, man, I gotta hit y'all with the review ASAP Rocky with these. A lot of people always ask me, what the hell does ASAP Rocky even mean? It means fast, bro, okay? Sheesh. Get with the lingo. God damn it. Anyway, yeah, bro, these go. These really go. And especially you wearing, oh man, I don't even. This is an awesome pair of shoes. I just love the suede elements of it. Really, I don't think you can go wrong with any colorway on these. It reminds me a lot of that, I think it was called like the Best Hand. Oh man, did I sell my clay greens? Like the Best Hand and, oh man, I can't, Best Hand in the Game, something like that. It was with the clay green ones, the track red, the Aubrey, I can't ever pronounce that. That was a fire pack. I think I got every single shoe from there. And I hope I didn't sell it, which I probably did. Let me know right now, guys. I'm gonna make a follow-up video of why did I sell those sneakers? Because there's so much heat that I had and I got rid of. But obviously it was for the greater of this channel. I mean, we got a fire camera, a 4K, we got the overview camera, like, you know, you gotta upgrade the equipment, and sneakers are forever. I'll always be able to buy them again, but damn. This is what that reminds me of, but a way higher quality. I'll say those shoes were really dope, but the quality on them was terrible. I'm gonna bring over these ones for an example. The turbo greens were pretty solid. They did a good job on these. This was one of those shoes that I had said over and over, these are gonna skyrocket in price. I even doubled up because I knew, number one, I love this shoe because it's just very unique. I like the color tones on it, but I knew these would shoot up in price, and what did they do? Shot up in price. Now, what I was comparing these two as far as, you know, the nubuck and the suede is that pack. Now, they didn't do a very good job on the leather on these. You can see it's kind of low-key trash, high-key trash. Like, it's not very good, opposed to, you look at the Tumble leather on the toe box of this, it really doesn't even compare. Like, if we can get that to focus, it might be a little bit blown out, but you can see that crease on there, a little bit different. So these are definitely a much higher quality, and I think these were like a regional exclusive. Like, you couldn't get these in the US. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it was like that at one point. I just feel like you can never go wrong with a pair of Jordan 1s. So that's my first thoughts, guys. I'll definitely be coming with an on feet and just a little bit more when we get closer to release date. But these are really nice. I'll just leave it at that. Let me know what Jordan you're looking forward to this year. I just feel like, I don't know, man. They're trying to take our money this year for sure. One little thing, man, if you strike out on these, make sure you buy you some Nike stock. You never know, that might be worth more than these one day. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. Thank you guys for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.